lighten up your face really well, clear sunburn, dark spots and all that. It's going to give you that flawless face you crave for. Yeah, that's number one on my list. Then the next one on my list is, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this is for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous. So today I won't be talking much. I'll be giving you a sharp whitening face cream that you can go to the market and buy. Face cream that is safe for your face, that won't give you sunburn, that won't add any issues to your face. Like, it is a fast whitening face cream. So if you don't want to go shade lighter on your face, please do not use all this face cream I'm about to talk about. So but if you want to get a lighter face, if you want to get a lighter face, then you definitely want to give any of this face cream a try. So without wasting much time, let me dive straight into the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. On this channel we film about skincare, product review, supplement review, body enhancement, supplements and all that. So if this is the kind of content you like to know about, then you definitely want to stick around, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time when I drop a new video. So without wasting much time, let me dive straight into today's episode. Like I said, I'm going to be giving you a whitening face cream you can use, like best whitening face cream I know about that you can go to the market and get easily. So today, the first that's my favorite actually. That's the best, that's the best among all this. The first one that I have on my list is the golden face cream. God, as I'm saying it, I'll be dropping it on the screen somewhere around. So the first one, like I said, is the golden face cream. This golden face cream is like Osha Papa. You know what it is? Osha Papa face cream. This face cream is going to, my dear, is going to glow your face, like flawlessness. You know what I mean by flawless face? This face cream alone, no adding anything, no adding anything to it, just the face cream alone is going to lighten up your face really well, clear sunburn, dark spots and all that. It's going to give you that flawless face you crave for. That's number one on my list. Then the next one on my list, Madam White. Madam White, some people say it's very effective, very much effective than golden face cream. But the reason why I don't usually like to talk about Madam White is that the fake of Madam White is so much in the market, and it might be so hard for you to get the Madam White in your location. You understand? That is why I usually prefer golden face to Madam White. But if you are able to get the Madam White in your area, then Madam White is also a very, very good whitening face cream you can use for your face. If you're sure of getting Madam White, like if you're very sure of getting the original Madam White in your area, then Madam White is also a very, very good whitening face cream you can use for your face to get that flawless face, no sunburn, no black spots. Like, you just need this face, this glowing face, this white glossy face. Then Madam White is also a very good whitening face cream you can try, but be sure to get the original one. Very soon, don't worry, I'll be telling you guys how to identify fake products as well. I'll be doing my research on that and I'll be dropping the video as well. But for now, please try to get the Madam White from a trusted source, so you don't end up saying the product I prescribed to you is not working well for you. So another one on my list is La face cream. La face cream is a very, very small face cream, cheap, very affordable. But the thing about it is that most time you need to mix La to another face cream to get that magic whitening face cream you want. But some people still think that La face cream alone can whitening their face. It's also a very lightening face cream, but most time it is preferable to add it to another face cream to get that magic result from it. It's also a very good face cream if you want to give it a try. That is, if you're looking for a lightening face cream that won't give you that very, very white result, but it's still going to clear your dark spots, your sunburn and the likes, then La face cream is another product you can actually try. So the next on my list is BB Clear face cream. This baby clear face cream is also a very good face cream, yeah, that you can give a trial. But the only issue about the baby clear face cream is that it is very active. Yeah, it is very active, that if you're not careful with it, if you abuse this face cream, you're going to start having red patches, like red sunburn, then your face is going to be kind of red. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to use this BB Clear face cream, please do not use it and go into the sun. Like any of this face cream, like all what I just said, all what I'm mentioning are whitening face cream. You don't want to use any of these products and walk into the sun. You are definitely going to do a lot of damage to your face. So this BB Clear face cream in particular is very good, but at the same time, you don't want to abuse it. Yeah, you don't want to abuse it. Basically, this BB Clear face cream is not something you should use for long. Yeah, if I should say, this BB Clear face cream is not something you can use for long. Yeah, so once you get that whitening glossy face you want from BB Clear, you can switch to another product that is a little mild. So the next one on my list is Glutathione face cream. Yeah, Glutathione face cream is another lightening face cream you want to give a try if you're looking for that glossy face lightening. You understand? So Glutathione face cream is also a very good face cream. Yeah, that's one of the products I've actually tried as well. So it's a very good face cream you can use to get rid of dark spots, sunburn, get a glossy face. Yeah. So another one on my list is Vit Gold face cream. Vit Gold face cream, and that's actually the last on my list. Yeah, Vit Gold face cream is actually a very good lightening face cream as well. It's lightening so well. It is mild. You can use it as your permanent face cream. Like any of this face cream I just mentioned can be used as your permanent face cream. You can use it for as long as you want. It's not going to end up giving you any damage on your face. The only thing you don't want to do is using your lightening face cream and going into the sun. If you must go into the sun, make sure to apply your sunscreen. You understand? So this Vit Gold lightening face cream is something you can use. Yeah, you can use it for as long as you want to. It's not going to do any damage to your skin. So like I said, all this face cream I just mentioned can be used for as long as you want to, but the only thing you don't want to do is go into the sun while you wear any of this face cream. The only one you can't use for too long is the BB Clear face cream. Yeah, that face cream is actually very, very strong. Yeah, for me, it's actually very, very strong. But if you want to get this sharp whitening face, yeah, maybe you have a party, you just want to have this fast clear face. You understand what I'm saying? So you definitely want to give this BB Clear a trial, but be mindful of how you use the BB Clear face cream. In short, maybe you should just keep it out of this list, because I don't want you to use this BB Clear face cream and end up coming back to my comment section to say what I gave you damage your skin, what I gave you do this. So if you know you don't know how to use the product, like you will end up abusing the product, please do not use the BB Clear. Just go for any of the ones I have mentioned. Those ones are also very good, like very, very good. Yes, very good. But they are not going to harm you as long as you're not wearing it and entering the sun. Golden face cream, very good, like excellent. Madam White face cream, like very good. Vit Gold face cream, all of the face cream I just said are excellent, are very good face cream you can use, and be rest assured that you get that glossy face you want from it. So if you've watched my videos to this extent, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. Yeah, on this channel we drop a lot of reviews, products you can go to the market and get. Safe product though. I'm not talking about products that will end up damaging your skin or giving you some kind of reaction or issues. Safe products are being prescribed on this channel. We also do DIYs on this channel. So this channel is actually the channel where the latest skincare stuff go down. So you don't want to mix any of my new videos. So stay tuned by turning on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time when I drop a new video. Until next time, bye, peace out.